Hello everyone. Today is Sunday, April 20th. Uh, by the way, happy Easter everyone who actually celebrating this holiday. Uh, let's talk about market and our portfolio. Our portfolio, my personal portfolio at least, did very well for last week. Reason for that, VIX went down from approximately 40 to 30, but market stayed at the same level. So it was during the week, market bounced up to approximately 54.50, and after that went down and finished approximately where it was previous Friday. Uh, but also, what we expecting now, we don't know where market gonna go. It could go higher to 200 moving average, maybe, which is approximately at 57.50 right now, or it will go and test the low in 5,000 area. Uh, Personally, how I already mentioned in the Discord channel, my expectation that probably market will stay in range for months or two, maybe somewhere between 5,000 and 5,500, or maybe range will be increased from 4,800 to approximately 5,800, 4,800 to 5,800 points. So how we're gonna play that? I introduce what I'm doing right now is a reverse jet lizard, which performing well in a bouncing market, range market, and has a risk from upside, but that risk should be easy covered with our long portfolio. If you don't have long portfolio, you can buy LIPS SPY calls to protect the structure and try to keep all your portfolio delta around zero, a little bit positive. Let me show you mine. First of all, I still have some ES positions and strategies which we play before market collapse, but I convert them to some kind of small negative positions by closing some naked puts. Now it's safe, and you can see I have here three ES futures, and all of them except the closest one, which has delta approximately 50, but all two others, it's quite negative delta. Also, this week was pretty good for us because oil bounced up, and we have some positions with stocks which related to oil. It's CVX, it is HAL. I have SLB, and also we have XOP, which is ETF of oil companies. So they performed very well this week, but they still underwater because oil just dropped too much, and I hope that sooner or later we will go out of that problem, because our stocks, we're playing with, how you remember, with ratio straddles, and it's allow us to roll our puts and calls lower if we need, if stock going down, and sooner or later we will get that money back, because we have very expensive call which protecting us, plus our puts also quite expensive and have pretty good premium. So I don't worry much about that, and I happily hold them and probably even gonna add them, but mostly I have right now defense stocks like I have some Amazon small position in Google and PayPal from tech. Oh, actually I have CRM also. But all other positions, it's defense, Aflac, C, Coca-Cola, Merck, O, Pepsi, PG, TLT, I have TLT position, and Walmart. So it's quite defensive portfolio of stocks, which we hold as a ratio straddles, which even more safer than stocks. And we can use that reverse jet lizards on ES futures or SPY if you have small account, just to get profit if market will stay where it's staying right now, playing in range and even will go down because that jet lizard has a negative delta and making pretty good money if market going down. I would like to show you my some positions. One of them it's already just 9 days till expiration. It's in good profit. Another one I didn't touch yet. It's also in good profit. 1600. I believe I opened it when it was 27 days till expiration. So it's a little bit more than a week. And I just would like to show you how it's look like. It's 19 days. Let me. Yeah, this is how it's look like. We market is here, so market way below the tent, and position still has a small negative delta. So if it will be below the tent for another couple of days, or maybe a week, we will start lifting up that tail profit line to 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 get that profit for sure. Right now, how I set that position in $1,600 profit, which is not bad because margin is just approximately 12 or 13,000. So it's in 1 week I made about 10%. So how we're gonna protect it when if market go up very fast and very far? By the way, that position quite safe till 5700, even more. So it's not hard. We can, if we need, we can add here call vertical to expand this tent to approximately 5850 or even more. And don't forget that also our portfolio is positive delta, or if you have SPY leaps, they will perform and should compensate even compensate for possible loss from this structure. Also, I opened this kind of position as a portfolio hedge, longer term. It's also in good profit right now. Let me show you where it is. I have 71 days and I believe I have 89 days till expiration, two structures. By the way, 71 days I add, it's right now it's a double structure, and we won't see the profit because one of profitable option was closed, and unfortunately, Testy Trade doesn't show us profit or loss from position which already closed. Let me show you how it's look like. 71. Yeah. So that is how it's look like. We have a I have double position here. Uh, Tail profit right now show negative 400, but I close one short call, and it was, I believe, 3500. So that position about 3000 in profit right now, and this is where the market is. I'm gonna hold it and see. So it still have pretty good negative delta. If market continue to go down, it will protect our portfolio. If it start going up again, I have some long positions which will cover this. By the way, I also have uh, some MES futures long. I have three long MES futures, which also in small profit. So if market will go up, it's also gonna help me to protect that Jet Lizard positions. Uh, this is what I would like to talk about today. So don't worry, guys. We will, because it's a lot of worry about that Jet Lizard position from upside. So I think that. By the way, it's one more thing that Jet Lizard has a negative vega. It means that if market gonna go up, volatility will go down. So it's gonna help this position a little. So and calls become much cheaper. We can, how I said, we can protect it by just adding a couple of vertical spreads on call side, and we will protect that structure. Let's talk about questions which you had in Discord channel. GCamps asking long question about, in general, about Vega hedges. Yes, guys, unfortunately, Vega hedge this time didn't perform same way as it did in August event. Reason for that, the Vega hedge is working very well when problem uh, coming out of the sky, so nobody expecting these problems. But unfortunately, uh, how he named it, liberation shock. It was shock for us, but looks like it wasn't big shock for market. This event was expected somehow, and people bought already protection, long puts. So even when VIX expand up to 60 this time, that far away puts didn't get extremely expensive to make that Vega hedge profitable, like it was in August. Because of that, I don't think that we need them, Vega hedges, in this market environment. Again, we will need it probably if again market will be in long bull market, volatility will be low, and puts will be cheap, and nobody expecting problems, and at that time Vega hedge will work very well. So also he's asking about strategy. He said that he is not aiming for 30% per year return, saying that about 20 will be more than enough. Yes, guys, you can continue to do what we did, especially what we did with mass ratios will strategy. I think if you're gonna don't use it and just control your position size, it's performing very well. I don't expect that market will collapse again. It can go down, but I think it's gonna be some normal movement down, which is strategy like ratios absorbing pretty well, and I think it's gonna make money. Also, yes, we're gonna more and more use our stocks to play good companies using ratio or ratio straddles or just regular straddles to get some profit from it. I hope that 20%, especially in this kind of volatility environment, 20% is very realistic expectation, at least from from low. But our goal right now to get as much our account back from that shock which we got. So also Tom asking trades unless there is a defined risk strategy. Well, yes, you can do the same thing as a defined risk strategy, but if you do defined risk strategy, our strategy become is just a butterflies. So yes, you can play in high volatility butterfly strategy could be quite profitable. Uh, also yes, we should how I introduced that lizard. We should protect our portfolio one way or another. We still gonna use hedges. Unfortunately, hedges right now are quite expensive, so this is why I'm pretty happy with lizard because it's protecting, it's negative delta trade, but at the same time it's generating profit if market go down or stay and no go anywhere. So it's a good way to add our protection to portfolio. Niels asking any tips on how to temporarily increase buying power in high volatility environment. Uh, well, unfortunately, to reduce buying power, we need to reduce risk. So my uh, my recommendation just try slow, reduce your risk, reduce your naked pots, and or add some hedges. It's only way to reduce buying power. It's this problem probably it's common problem for all of us, right? Especially when our portfolio decline. Now we have problems with buying power, but we will handle it. So I hope everything will be okay. Uh, that's it for today. I don't have much to add. Let's see what's gonna happen next week. I hope that market will stabilize sooner or later, or will stay in range which is acceptable for us in this case. Thank you guys. Happy Easter and enjoy your evening. And see you in Discord channel next week. Also for new guys, I still have a promo code for 80% discount for first month. So if you're interested, you can join us for free in Discord channel and ask how to subscribe to get premium access to all our trades. We will be happy to have you. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.